Some houses feel like a house. This one feels like a home. And the moment you pull up, you already feel it. The wider than average frontage on a quiet street, it's the curbside appeal that really stops you. Those vaulted ceilings soaring not just through one, but 3 living rooms. They change everything. The light, the air, and the feeling of the space. With 3 distinctive living rooms, the whole family gets their own space. A formal lounge and a relaxing second living room with a third room for anything that life brings you. And anchoring it all in is a beautiful, sizable kitchen. Because every great home has a heart, and this is it. This is where the mornings happen, where the stories get told, and where the day winds down. With 3 generous-sized bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, it's everything you need. Out the back, you've got a covered carport and a dedicated barbecue area, ready for your weekends and your planning. Low maintenance and great lifestyle. This is a home that's made for living.